At Handiwerx, the enrollment process is simple. Either visit teamhandiwerx.com to head straight to the enrollment page and streamline the process, or go to handiwerx.com and click the work van in the lower right corner of the page. After submitting the basics, Handiwerx will respond by accepting or rejecting your application. If accepted, check your email for a Sign Now document invitation. This link has a user agreement and a W-9 form to fill out. After completing the documents at Step 2, you'll receive a link via email to connect your bank or debit account so you can collect your earnings. We recommend using your bank account in case you lose your debit card or receive a new number. This is a deposit-only system. We do not make withdrawals. Last step is to check your email again. The final email will have your login credentials and attach a Welcome Aboard PDF document and a business card. Pre-sized and pre-filled, ready for print, you're all set. Let's get to work.